Welcome to RandoTechno. Today I'm unboxing the Lian Galahad 2 LCD AIO CPU liquid cooler. I got the version with the infinity fans, just love those. And additionally 5 extra SL infinity fans, 120. Really excited to build this. It's my first time buying a AIO cooler. Though it is quite intimidating as I've never done it before, especially with the ARGB and everything. I've got here the instruction manual and a box of goodies. Lian's proprietary fan connector. I really like this about them. One of the reasons why I chose it. Seems easy and simple to have easy connection between fans and less cables. The ARGB controller. I mean, I chose this for two reasons really. One of them being it has a very high performance for a high-end product. And the other, that LCD display where we can customize to our heart's content. More goodies, brackets, thermal paste, screws. So one thing I read a lot about this AIO cooler in particular is that the software for Lian is not that great. Lots of issues, lots of bugs. So we'll see how that is at a later phase when I do the review. And finally, the famous Lian Infinity fans. These fans and the Fantex DL30. These are probably the best fans there is out there because of all the little lights that they have. And especially this one with Lian and the infinity display. I think they're absolutely beautiful, gorgeous, and quite expensive too. But I love the proprietary connector, makes it easy to link up a few and have less cables. Comes with some screws, the fan itself connector, and these, I don't know what these are, but it looks like stickers, protective film to place on the infinity fans, which they already have. I'm not sure why they would provide these, but sure, it's welcomed. And that's the unboxing. Stay tuned for the build. And thank you for watching.